teeth so fresh and bright. Wash my hands till they're just right. Brushy brush, swish and spit, soap and water every bit. I start my day the cleanest way. Happy, healthy every day. I'm a happy little one. Learn, laugh and run. Good habits help me grow so strong. Singing my good habits song. I sit so nice at breakfast time. Please and thank you, that's my rhyme. Chew my food and take it slow. Good table manners help me grow. A spoon and fork, not too fast. Fruits and veggies, they will last. Fill my tummy, feel just right. Gives me energy and might. I'm a happy little one. Learn, laugh and run. Good habits help me grow so strong. Singing my good habits song. When I play, I share and care. Toys and books, I always spare. And when I'm done, I tidy too. Clean up time is what I do. No mess left upon the track. Being me is part of me. I'm as proud as I can be. Now it's time to end the day. Bath and jammies, hooray, hooray. I read a book, then close my eyes. Dream of stars up in the skies. Resting well, often tight. Sleepy stars say goodnight. Resting well, I grow each day. With love and smiles all the way. I'm a